control blood pressure, control your blood sugars, and you want to also control your cholesterol, but you're very fond of potatoes. Now what do? Should you completely get rid of the potatoes? Is there an alternative for it? Come, let's sort out these questions in this video. And I have also come up with a recipe so that you get an alternative to the potatoes and the potatoes patties, right? Potato french fries. So you get your alternatives through this vegetable which is dense in nutrition. So first questions first, should you consume potatoes? In my opinion, yes, you can consume potatoes once in a while, like once in a week or once in 10 days, but not really as a part of a daily routine or a daily diet, because it is going to hurt. It is going to increase your glycemic index of the food. It is going to make you eat more food or increase your cravings, increase your appetite, and you might just wonder what is the difference. Like, I don't understand, why am I feeling so hungry after even eating a meal? So it's a good alternative to replace the potatoes with sweet potatoes. Why? Because sweet potatoes are definitely higher in fiber in comparison to the potatoes. They have a good complex protein profile. In fact, they have a special protein which helps to fight cancer. So you might want to prevent cancer inducing foods such as potatoes. When they are fried, when they are cooked in all sorts of foods, you want to replace them with sweet potatoes because of the cancer fighting properties. Sweet potatoes are dense in vitamin A, vitamin C and iron. So the combination of vitamin C and iron is also going to make sure that the iron which is present in sweet potatoes is much more available to your body, is much more absorbed by the body. Another good thing is, now sweet potatoes you have in different colors. They have, the skin is pink, sometimes it is red, it is yellow in the inside, it is orange in the inside. So all these different colors add to the different nutrition profile, add to the different antioxidants and carotenoids, because each pigment is essential for our health. So you might want to keep swapping between the different types of sweet potatoes when you are trying to replace the potatoes with sweet potatoes. So in this recipe, I have done a combination of sweet potatoes with fenugreek leaves. That means the methi leaves. Now these fenugreek leaves by themselves are known to help to control the blood sugars, and because of their slightly bitter taste, they help to also control sweet cravings. Now what would be the combination of a sweet potato which is naturally sweet and the bitter pungent taste of fenugreek leaves when it comes together and bound together with a different you can choose the spices that you want. I have chosen the spices that I felt would complement well in this with this two major ingredients combination, but you can definitely play around with the spices and herbs as much as possible. You can make it a little bit. You want to start incorporating the sweet potatoes into your diet to replace the potatoes and figure out ways how you can eat it more healthier. The healthiest of the ways to eat sweet potato is actually bake it with the skin. That is found to actually retain its nutrition profile to the maximum. But here we are doing a steaming process and making the sweet potatoes. It is vegan. The recipe is vegan, so you can definitely try it at home, and it is not going to hurt anybody in the family. Of course, if somebody has high potassium levels, those people need to be careful also to control blood pressure, because we want to increase the potassium levels in our diet in order to control the blood pressure. So come, let's find out what's more in this recipe, and hope you like it. I have tried to make it as simple as possible for you to understand and apply it. So why not try to make it a part of your daily diet? You might want to include it in your cyclic menu, add it. So let's not just take the sweet potato for only Thanksgiving or an annual treat, but you can treat yourself with this kind of a healthier version, maybe once in 10 days. Incorporate these patties with a bowl of soup and you are done for your dinner.